Hi everyone, we are in Dawson, Texas. It's just a little south of Corsicana, Texas, which is up in the Dallas area, I would suppose. It's a tiny little town, and we're gonna take a look at it. And they've got an intact downtown. This building is probably yours for the taking if you want to buy it and renovate it. We got our first mural. Dawson 1881 to 1981 Centennial. There you go. That mural has seen better days. You got one lone building across the way. We'll check out this side first. Can't tell what that building was for. This looks like an antique store, or a defunct antique store. Well, they might still be open, just not on Sundays. We got ourselves the United States Post Office, Dawson, Texas 76639. This is the city office. Get all your Dawson related items accomplished in that building. Another little empty building, another opportunity for some person in the future. Now this is interesting. This is an old gas station, and it now houses a classic hearse, kind of like that Ghostbusters hearse, it looks like, except red. But very interesting thing, not something I expect to see, but it looks like they're doing a renovation on that vehicle. So yeah, maybe we might see it in a car show one day. Got a big old warehouse style building right here. Doesn't look like it's being used either. And there is the old Masonic Lodge, which does appear to be being in use, which is great. They got a mural opportunity right there. The Masons ought to fund something like that. Now we got the old washboard. I think that's a restaurant. The Citizens State Bank. Let's check this out one more time. It's a nice little side of the building. This is right next to the post office. That brickwork is interesting. Yeah, looks nice. I bet this was a fantastic building back in the day. Shoot. And to conclude our little trip around Dawson, Texas, we got this lone little building right here, which does look like it's being renovated. So I wonder what's going on here. And that's it, y'all. It's Dawson, Texas. Not a whole lot going on, but I'm sure these people who live here really do love where they live and are proud of it all the same. Honestly, I'd prefer a town like this than any other big town. So busy, you can really slow down your life in a town like this. Yep. All right, everybody. Remember, you're all dearly loved. That building is named C.C. Dawson, so probably the founder of the town built this building. See y'all, everyone.